In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIF in Elementor WordPress. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to Elementor or WordPress, you'll be able to follow along and get your animated GIFs working on your site in just a few minutes. First, start by opening your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main menu. Look for the Elementor option in that menu. Hover your mouse over it, and from the options that appear, select the editor. This will open up the Elementor interface for your site. Once Elementor is open, look over to the right side of the screen, and at the top right, click on Edit Site. This will take you into the actual page or template where you want to add your GIF. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, go to the top left corner of the screen. You should see a small plus icon there. Click that plus icon to open the widget options. Elementor has a lot of different widgets you can use, but for adding a GIF, we're going to use the regular image widget. In the search bar, type image, then select the image widget and place it where you want your GIF to appear on the page. Once the image widget is selected, look over to the left panel under the Content tab. You'll see a button that says Choose Image. Click on that. A pop-up will appear, which is your WordPress media library. Here you have a few options. If your GIF is already uploaded, you can simply select it from the media library. If the GIF is saved on your computer, go to the Upload Files tab and drag and drop the file, or click to browse for it. You can also use the Insert from URL option if your GIF is hosted somewhere online. After you've chosen the GIF you want to use, click the Select button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Give it a moment to load, and then look at the preview in the main editor area to make sure your GIF is playing correctly. If it's not moving, wait a few seconds or try updating the preview. Once you're happy with how it looks and everything is working smoothly, go to the top right of the Elementor editor and save your changes. Depending on your setup, this might say Update, Publish, or Save. Click that, and your animated GIF is now live on your Elementor WordPress site.